You know, I have to have proper, you know, proper protection for doing this surgery, guys. Let me switch the music. Okay, let me switch. Let me turn this on. Alright. Alright. So, we have the grumpy cat. You see his nose? Oh, I need to grab a tool, 1 second. I think we're prepared, guys. I think we're prepared. I've got my tools. Okay. I've got my tools right here. And Midget Gamer subbed on GameWest. Thank you, Midget. Thank you so much, Midget. Thank you so much for the support. Alright, so guys, Grumpy Cat is getting a nose surgery. The reason for this is because Booker ate his nose. So he lost his nose in a battle with Booker. So we are going to give him a new nose. Where are the gloves? My hands are clean. I sanitize with alcohol. So yeah, we are gonna give him a butt nose. I don't know how this is gonna work. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we're gonna try it out, okay? Yes, Dr. Lowco. I am Dr. Lowco now. Yeah, Brittany, that's what we're gonna be doing. Alright, so.
What do we have here?
$10 from Cookie Monster. I also have a mole on my left butt cheek. Can you take care of that while you're at it, Lowco Blush? Yeah, I can take care of that. Yep, sure, Cookie. On the house, you know, because you're a mod and all, so on the house. Alright. Let's get started, guys. So, first we gotta remove, you know, this little thing. We gotta get rid of this. Don't worry, he's anesthetized. Don't worry, I've only had 3 shots of alcohol, so, you know, we'll be fine. It doesn't cut very well. Oh, there we go. Woo! Got it right off. Clean, very clean removal of the extra area. Alright, cool. Alright, you see the opening right there? Okay. Where are my gloves? I don't need gloves. Alright, so we gotta take one of these. So, I think I'm gonna take this one. Okay. I gotta open this up. Guys, if you are sensitive to blood, please look away. Please look away. We'll tell you when it's over. Oh my god, it's covered!
I'm in love with the Lowco. People are subbing to
oh
her
my god,
show.
Tryon, thank you so much for subbing on GameWiz. Thank you so much, Tryon. I really appreciate that. Oh, Jesus, thank you so much. Let me put this back in the middle. Okay. Alright, so we've got this. We call health inspection. We got this. Alright, so just gonna apply. Grumpy Cat, close your eyes. Alright. Put some glue. Okay. Why isn't it working? Why isn't it? Oh shit, it's all stuffed. Wait, do I have to? Oh, I think I have to cut this open, don't I? Yeah, I think I have to cut this open. Right? Well, it's cut open now. Where'd that go? Oh well. I'll have my nurses clean it up. Alright. My hands are shaking, I'm a little nervous. Alright, alright. That looks good, alright. We just gotta apply pressure. Apply pressure. Gotta make sure it sticks. There we go. We gotta hold this for like about a minute. I'm gonna blow on it to just make it, you know, cool down. There we go. Just a little airflow. Just a little bit of airflow. And we're just gonna hold it down. You know, continue to apply pressure so that, you know, we can make sure it stays this time. And for those that are wondering, this is professional grade adhesive. Professional grade adhesive, so I know what I'm doing. Yeah, yep, I know what I'm doing. Alright. I think it's good. I think it's good, guys. What do you guys think? He looks so cute. He looks so cute now, guys. Look at his new nose. Look at his new nose. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful... It's a beautiful new nose, guys. It looks good as new. Good as new, guys. Good as new. He's awake. He's awake. He's waking up, guys. He's waking up. He looks happy. He looks pretty happy, guys. He looks pretty happy. Alright, so let me... There he is, guys, in all his glory. He's got a new nose! He's got a new nose! Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright! Let me dispose of the excess tissue. And I will be right back. Let me just put this away. Woo! Successful surgery, guys! We did it! Oh crap, I just dropped something. There we go. Successful surgery, guys! We did it! Woo!